and I'm going to light it up. Here you see, this is the flame, and when I also tilt the matchstick, for suppose like this, the flame is also pointing upwards. Whenever like this, the flame is pointing upwards. So why does the flame basically point upwards always? So we are going to discuss that in our today's video. So hello all, namaste, my name is Prince Aryan and I am from class 6. So today in this video we are going to discuss why does flame always point upwards. So let's start our video. A candle contains a wick. When this wick burns, very hot gases released from this wick. And these hot gases are none other than the fire or the flame that we see. Well, this wick when burns, I have said that they generate a kind of hot gas that we see as the flame. But does that mean that the air around it gets heated up and then it goes up? Well, that is what happens. See, so when air gets heated up, it rises up. But why does the air gets heated up and it rises up? There is a science behind it. Like all matter around you, even if you talk about the matchstick, or even if you're watching this video on your mobile phone, or even the dust particles on a glass, all are matter. These matters are made up of tiny atoms, right? So these tiny particles or these tiny atoms, what they do is like that only our air which is around you right now, they are also made up of tiny atoms, or they are known as the particles, you say. So when they actually get heated up, they get more energy, and due to the insane and extreme energy, it causes them to move faster. Because of this faster movement, the intermolecular space between two atoms of our air increases. That is why the air rises up. Now the hot air when rises up, that is the reason why does a hot air balloons basically rise up. So if that is the case, then does that mean that around the candle the air is going to the cool air which is there? That will again rise up, get heated and rise up due to the insane heat of the candle or the flame. So let me check whether the temperature of the air. First of all, when we see the temperature of the air above the candle, it is very hot. Well, if you do it practically, then it is very hot. You cannot put your hand above the candle for a long period of time. But if we see the air around the candle, so for suppose our candle, the air around it is very cold. Yes. So if that is the case, then does that mean that the air around the flame, not at the top but at the side, is that area empty without any air? Well, no, that's not the case. I will make you understand. For suppose, see this over here, as you can see, some we are getting smoke out of these sticks. So when the smoke is allowed into the first chimney of this box, then what is happening? The smoke is entering inside this box, and there is a candle lit up inside the box. Now, second thing that happens is this smoke actually gets inside, and then you can see in the second chimney the smoke gets out. Why this happens? Because here as you can see in the box there is smoke. The smoke, what happens is basically the smoke is at the side of the candle's flame, and because of this flame only, as we have known that the hot air rises up, and that is why because of this flame only, the smoke is getting rised up into the second chimney. This is what is happening exactly. So if that is the case, does that mean that our what you say, that your candles at the side, the air is not there or it is empty? Well, no. No, that's not the case. Why? Because you see, when the hot air rises up and went up to the second chimney and goes very up, there you can see that then the hot air, what it does, it cools down and shrinks to get inside the sticks, inside the at the first chimney. So it sinks down and gets inside the first chimney, and then again our cycle continues. You see, this is kind of a cycle. Well, which cycle is this? I will be asking this as a question, and you need to comment me down that cycle's name. Okay, so please pause the video right now and go down the comment section and then comment there that what is the cycle's name. Well, I'm going to reveal the answer in my post, so be sure to be subscribed in my channel. So now, because without this cycle is happening, so the hot air will rise up and then it will cool down and get again inside, and then again it will heat up and go up. This is a cycle is going on. Without this cycle, the flame, of this candle will have a looking like a circular one. But do we see a candle as a circular one? Never, right? So that means that this candle is also going on around this candle. This cycle is going on not only at one side but all around 360 degree, all around the candle. This is why the candle basically points upwards always. So I hope you understood why do these candles, like the flame, it always points upward when we also tilt the matchstick or even the candle. Understood? So like that only our cycle continues. You need to write the cycle name also. And if you have understood this, please be sure to subscribe my channel, like, and also share your thoughts in this channel only. I will be meeting in my next video. Till then, bye bye.